the LG, the Trump user here, and today in this video the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G for visible wireless. So the Galaxy A42 is now having a visible to double now in dark black color, so pretty nice. You'll have 1.8 GB of storage, and you'll also have the option to pay monthly or for a retail price of $17 a month, or it's $408 for a retail price sale. So yeah. So there's the front video that's how you take that match. 55-facing camera, power button, and ground case will be right side of the phone now. So pretty nice. There's the right side of the phone there. So yeah. And then on the back of the Galaxy A42 is a triple camera system along with camera flash and the Samsung logo. And it looks like it fades out. Going from like it's darker to lighter going down the back there. So pretty nice design on the back there. So really nice looking phone and stuff like that. This one is already available on Verizon's postpaid and prepaid services, and now Visible has it on their services also. It's pretty nice. So yeah. So you need a phone that can capture, save with the photos and video with the tap of a finger, scroll through your feed at lightning speed, and stream what you want when you want. Outfitted with our best core features plus some awesome innovations. Galaxy A42 5G lets you create, share, and stay connected without breaking the bank. And of course, this phone does have 5G on it, so that's the main selling point of the phone. That it does have 5G. So you'll have a 6.6 inch display that's an HD plus Super AMOLED display that's a 720 by 600 pixel resolution, so the display should look pretty decent. The Galaxy A42 5G is 6.81 ounces, dimensions are 6.47 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. It does have Android 11 with One UI 3.0, so that's pretty cool. On the rear, you guys have 3 cameras in the back, that 48 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 2 megapixel depth sensor in the rear, and then a 13 megapixel front facing camera. Processor in the A42 is a Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor, 128 GB of RAM, 4 GB of RAM, 5000 mAh battery. You usually have an in-display fingerprint sensor, so that's very nice. 5G, of course, and you have sub-6 and millimeter wave as well, so that's pretty cool. And then additional features, of course, it has Samsung DeX support and game monitor, so that is pretty cool. So yeah, not bad for $408 for retail prices. But it's very nice. It's definitely worth it. It's worth every penny of it in my personal opinion. So for $400, you're getting a 5G phone. You're getting great specs on it. 4 gigabytes of RAM isn't too bad. I mean, it's not terrible. The phone does look very nice. It does have Android 11, so you guys will get updates on this phone for a few years to come. So that's pretty cool. And I think it's worth every penny of it, of $408 for a retail price of really nice looking phone there. So yeah, there you guys go. Samsung Galaxy A42 5G now available at Visible Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up because it really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.